And bad weather continue in some parts of Indonesia as floods hit 10 districts in the Kapuas Hulu regency, West Kalimantan, as well as inundating thousands of local residents' homes, cutting off province's main road access as well.
Public facilities such as school buildings, worship places, and offices were all inundated by floods with approximately heights of 1 up to 2 meters. Floods also cut off province's main road access in Kali sub-district. The government of Kapuas Hulu Regency, through Regional Disaster Management Agency, the National Military Supports, and also volunteers are working together side by side in order to evacuate flood victims. The Regency government also provides staple food to the residents.
Ngapa kian macet kah?
Moving on to Venezuela, where landslide in the country has killed at least 34 so far, and the landslide also left more than 60 people missing.
According to civil protection figures, there's a record of 400 houses completely destroyed and another 757 with moderate to severe damage. Electricity service has also been restored. The day after heavy floods destroyed the town of Las Terrias in central Venezuela, President Nicolas Maduro walked among the mud and destruction through the most affected streets. He got into a house affected by the floods and from a balcony as he spoke to the crowd with a megaphone, promising that aid will come and that Las Terrias will be rebuilt.